Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So in this video, I am going to create Facebook banner or website banner design using Canva. Canva is a very powerful tool where we can create lots of things like banner, like ads, like presentation, like videos. So I will recommend as a freelancer, please to have account on canva.com. So Canva is a very powerful tool to design lots of graphic design activities. There are lots of gigs listed inside the Fiverr where freelancers making easy money by designing Facebook banners for Facebook ads. You can also charge up to $5 to $20 for creating such banner on Fiverr. So in this video, I'm going to give you idea how to create banner using Canva, a step-by-step process. Stay tuned. Let's get started now. First of all, you have to have login with Canva tool. If you are new to Canva tool, just join the Canva using email account, Facebook account. So just go to sign up first of all, and then you can find lots of templates inside. I'm also going to go inside my Fiverr account where you can find out lots of freelancers who are selling their banner designs gigs in Fiverr. So you can also get idea so how they are making lots of money by doing this kind of simple job for creating banners for clients. So it is very good and very easy to create. First of all, we have to create random image from Google. After that, we have to select theme and template for the banner. Just follow my step-by-step approach of banner and stay tuned with me. I'm going to create a step-by-step. That's it guys. I hope you like this video and this video adds some valuable information in your freelancing journey. If you have any questions, any doubt, feel free to ask. And if you want similar kind of videos to watch, feel free to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you so much.